There are strengths and weaknesses in relying on learning styles or learning preferences for educators, parents, mentors, and even learners. A careful evaluation of these underlying purposes to understand one's knowledge and one's learning preference should be considered while gaining the knowledge of the learning style. Many teachers use learning styles to help aid in their teaching, while some researchers debate on the effectiveness of this dependency on a certain methodology. Relying too heavily on a learning style can cause dilemmas for students, as they may refuse to reach for additional opportunities to learn, which may be outside of their comfort zone. Study skills become a crutch and even an excuse instead of an asset. This approach can even create preconceived ideas when it comes to learning, boxing individuals into a stereotype or a label which shackles the learner. Students have been noted to blame failure for learning a concept or within the confines of a learning experience on how the information was presented, differing from their preferred learning style, using it as a type of self-fulfilling prophecy. Educators also contribute to the weaknesses in learning styles, as they may or may not favor one style or another. Teachers have a tendency to cater to the educational needs of the student who favors the same learning preferences as the teacher. Sadly, there can even be favoritism while educators continually indulge a favorite student's learning style. Lastly, educators with generally good intentions determine and want to strengthen the weaknesses of students. In contrast, however, the learning preferences can have some strengths which balance the scale for the use of these, as a methodology aids the student in understanding of themselves as learners and increases self-awareness. Learning styles additionally increase self-esteem, learning effectiveness, motivation, and even retention, giving students a locus of control in their educational environment. Using these styles, students may even morph an inactive learning situation to become more active and engaging in an opportunity.